famous means of transport in German. So let's get started. First one is das Auto, means the car. Ich fahre mit dem Auto, means I travel by car. Second one is der Flug, the flight. Third one is der Bus, the bus. Fourth one is der Motorrad, the motorcycle. And the last one is der Fahrrad, the cycle. Jeden Tag fahre ich Fahrrad, means I ride my cycle every day. So thank you for watching this video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Thank you.